Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel DB Chetri. This is class 12 mathematics. We are learning determinant, how to use the property of determinant to solve the different kind of questions. Before going to start today's sessions, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. For new updates videos, please click the bell icon. If you want to see all this video, please click I button and go through the playlist. Now let me start today's sessions. Using the property of determinant, so that this determinant equals to 0 where alpha, beta and gamma are in AP. Okay, we learn the arithmetic progression from class 10. Okay, what is the relation if the three numbers in AP? Okay, first please know the basic relation between the three terms in AP. Now remember here, if the alpha beta and gamma, these three are in AP, then remember the relation is there, double of middle is equals to sum of extreme. That means 2 beta equals to alpha plus gamma. Similarly, if A, B, C in AP, then what is their relation? Double of middle, 2b equals to a plus c. This is the relation. We'll use this concept to solve these determinants. Okay, that means if we add alpha plus gamma can be replaced by 2 beta. Now we are going to operate that row or columns which contain alpha and gamma. Okay, let me write the first left hand side. X minus 3, x minus 4, x minus alpha, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus beta, and x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus gamma. Now, according to the basic concept of arithmetic progressions, okay, according to this relation, we are going to add or subtract that rows or column which contain alpha and gamma. Where is the alpha and gamma? Just check it. Alpha is there in the R1 and gamma is there in R2. That means we are going to add these two because the plus gamma can be replaced by 2 beta. Okay, according to the relations. Now we are going to add these. R1 change to R1 plus R3. R1 change to R1 plus R3 because alpha plus gamma is 2 beta. Now we are going to use the operations. R1 change to R1 plus R3. Then R1 change to R1 plus R3. That means x minus 3 plus x minus 2. Sorry, x minus 1 is there. Okay, R3 is here. R1 plus R3, R1 plus R3, R1 plus R3. Then here, x minus 4 plus x minus 2. Here, x minus alpha plus x minus gamma. Then others remain same. X minus 2, x minus 3, x minus beta, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus gamma. Now let's simplify it. X plus x 2x minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, x plus x 2x minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, x plus x 2x, we'll take the minus common, alpha plus gamma. Okay, because minus alpha minus gamma is there, if we take minus gamma, both will be plus. Now minus plus minus alpha minus plus minus gamma. Then others remain same. X minus 2, x minus 3, alpha, x minus beta, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus gamma. Now look at it, we got the alpha plus gamma. Alpha plus gamma can be replaced by 2 beta according to formula because they are in AP. then alpha plus gamma can be replaced by 2 beta. Now replace this alpha plus gamma by 2 beta. 2x minus 4, 2x minus 6, 2x minus alpha plus gamma can be replaced by 2 beta. Then others remain same, x minus 2, x minus 3, alpha minus beta, x minus 1, not alpha minus beta, x minus beta, okay? X minus beta, x minus 1, x minus 2, then x minus gamma. Now look at here R1. Look at here R1. Multiple of 2 is there everywhere. Now multiple of 2, multiple of 2, multiple of 2. That means can we take 2 common from R1? Just look at it. Can you take 2 common from R1? Yes. Now take the 2 common from R1. Taking 2 common from R1. Now let's take 2 common from R1. After taking 2 common from R1, what is left from? X minus 2. Okay, because we are taking 2 common from this one, x minus 2. Here x minus 3, 2 3s are 6. That means x minus 3. Here x minus beta, x minus beta. Then others remain same, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus beta. Okay, what is there? Second row, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus beta, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus beta. And third row, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus gamma. No. And according to property, okay, if any 2 rows or 2 columns are identical, we have the same, then determines value is 0. Now look at it. R1 and R2, they are same, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus beta, x minus beta. That means these 2 rows is identical, their value of determinant is 0. That means this is 2 multiply 0, reason is R1 is equals to R2 according to property of determinant. We already learned the property of determinant. If any 2 rows or 2 columns are identical, means the value of determinant is 0. Then 0 multiply anything is 0. We got the right hand side. Okay. Then remember the basic concept is there. Okay. And we already learned arithmetic progression from class 10 class. And remember, if the AP middle is equals to sum of x10, and according to this formula we'll add that rows or column which contain alpha and gamma. That's why we are adding R1 plus R2, because this contain alpha and gamma. Okay, let me do one more questions, and from next section we'll start the another subtopics. Okay, if you have any questions, please send me in my WhatsApp number. I already given in description. Now let me see one more question. A plus B, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, B plus C, C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, B plus C equals to 2 A B C B C A C A B. Okay, and there is also two ways there to get that right hand side. Okay, I will discuss both the method. Okay, now let me write the first left hand side. A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, B plus C, C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, B plus C. Now, according to property of determinant, we can split these determinants into two. If there is a plus is there, if there is two element is adding, okay, if there is a sum of two element is there within the determinant, we can split them into two determinants. Okay, if there is sum of three, we can split them in the three determinants. Now we are going to split in this first number element in the first determinant and second in second determinant. If there's three, if the elements in any rows or column is the sum of three, then we can split as three determinants. But there's sum of two elements is there, we are going to split as two determinants according to property of determinants. If we split, then it is very easy to get the right hand side. Otherwise, if you add all this, if you do row 1 change to row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3, and then there's that way also you can do it. Okay, but after splitting, it is very easy to get right hand side. Now let us split according to the property of determinants. Now in first determinant, we are going to write the first element. Okay, A B C, B C A, then C A B. Now next determinant, now write the second element B C A, then C A B C A B, A B C A B C. Now you can split into two if there is sum of two element is there. Now let's see right hand side. On the top, what is there? ABC is there. Okay, on the top ABC is there. On the top ABC is same. Now look at here, ABC. That means top line is same, but in this case top line is not same. Okay, now then BCA is there and C. That means this determines is same as the right hand side. Now we are not going to toss this one. We are going to simplify this one to make determinant as right hand side. Okay, according to right hand side, this first determinant is same. Why? Because ABC is there, we also have ABC, then BCA is there, BCA, and CAB is there. That means we are not going to toss this one. We will keep this determinant as it is. We are going to simplify this one, and we are going to simplify this one to make this first determinant. Okay, now what do we need? In place of B, we need A. That means we are going to exchange this row columns or these rows. Okay, we are going to exchange. If we exchange, okay, if we interchange any rows, okay, the value of determinant is negative. Okay, according to property, you can exchange any rows. Okay, row 1 exchange to with row 2, or row 1 exchange with row 3. We can exchange it, but the value of determinant is negative. Okay, now this first determinant will keep the same because this first determinant is same as the right hand side. That's why we are not going to toss this one. We'll copy the same. But in second determinant, what we are going to do, we are going to exchange R1 and R3. Okay, that means R1 change to exchange with R3 in second determinant. Okay, this means second determinant. The first determinant is same. Now let's copy the first determinant same. A B C B C A C A B. Then okay, according to the property of determinants, if you exchange any rows or column, the value of determinant is negative. Now that means value of determinant is negative. Now exchange it A, B, C. Now this row through row 3 replace row 1 and row 1 replaced by row 3. Okay, now row 1 is replaced by row 3. We are exchanging row 1 and row 3. That means in place of row 1 write row 3 element A, B, C. Then this is same C, A, B. Then row 3 is exchanged by row 1, that means B, C, A. Now let's check the right hand side. It is same? No. A, B, C. First line is same. Second line B, C, A we need. That means B, C, A. That means again we need to exchange these two. We need to exchange this R2 and R3. Let's exchange this one. R2 exchange with R3 in second determinant. Okay, now first determinant is same because it is as same as right hand side. We are not going to touch this one. A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Now according to property of determinant, if you exchange any rows or column, the value of determinant is negative. That means one negative is already there. Again we are exchanging, that means one more negative will be there. Then plus, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, this is for first exchange and this is for second exchange. And what we are exchanging? 2 and 3. That means R1 is remains same. A, B, C. Then we are exchanging R2 by 3. That means B, C, A. Then R3 by 2, C, A, B. Now see, both the determinants are same. Both the determinants are same. A, B, C, A, B, C. B, C, A, B, C, A. C, A, B, C, A, B. That means minus minus plus. Then if the both the term is same, if the both the term is same, A plus A, 2A. Apple plus apple, 2 apple. That means minus minus plus. Let's simplify once. A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, then minus minus plus, then same A, B, C, A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Now apple plus apple, 2 apple. Now this is equals to 2 A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Now we got the right hand side. This way we can prove it. Okay, if the sum within the determinant, if the determinant sum of two element is there, we can break it as 2 determinants. If there's 3, we can break as 3 determinants. Now another way is there. This is the easiest one. Okay, but to utilize this type of solutions, we should know the property of determinant. Property of determinant is very important to solve this type of questions. Another way is there. You can use another way. C1 change to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, if you add all this column in one, then A to A, B to B, C to C. That means what we will get here? Column 1 change to 2A plus B plus C and 2A plus B plus C and 2A plus B plus C. Okay, then others remain same. B plus C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B plus C. Then take this 2 as common. Then after taking these 2 as common, then get the subtraction C1 minus C2. Then from here you will get ABC. Okay, ABC from from your A left, from your B left, from your C left, this way. Then again take this element to subtract with another column, again take that element to subtract another column, then we will get the right hand side. This is another way, and this one is the easiest way to prove. Okay, and try this one. After doing this C1 change to, you can do R1 change to R1 plus R2 plus R3, you will get the same expressions. After, now take the 2 common, then subtract. After taking 2 common, what to do? C1 change to C1 minus C2 or C3, okay, and do accordingly. Try to get the right hand side expression from there. Try to complete. This is another way to solve these questions. Now we'll meet in next video. From next video, if you have any questions from this topic, please send me questions. If you don't have any questions, then from next session we'll start a new topic, that is area of triangle, to find the area of triangle by using the determinants. Okay, don't mix the next sessions. Now till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and